What's up, everybody? It's your boy VM3 back with another video, and today we got SuperM Supercar live from Capitol Records. Now, I already made a SuperM live reaction with them doing Can't Stand the Rain, and I'll put that in the card up there. And yeah, I just want to get through one more. I may do a Jopping reaction to it because I haven't seen that yet, so I may comment down below if you want to see that. But yeah, now that that's out the way, follow me on Instagram. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, make sure to hit the like button, and when you subscribe, make sure to hit the bell button, because I don't post random, but I try to post daily, and if I don't post daily, I'll post every other day. So now that that's out the way, let's just head right into the video. Turn that up for you guys. Pause. I already heard the song already on the mini album, and comment down below if they should have put Mark's freestyle in his teaser in here. I think they should have. Hey, actually, this is my third favorite song off of this EP. Yeah. Dang. Yeah, my boy Taeyong feeling himself. And this is just, Taemin, Taeyong, Mark, and Beckham in this song, yeah. Yo, this choreo is low-key better than Can't Stand the Rain already. I kind of like Can't Stand the Rain a little bit better, but the choreo in here is kind of better. And their vocals are pretty, hey, they hit the low. Yes, sir, let's go. Taeyong. I think Taeyong got me in this song. Mark usually be getting me, but I think Taeyong got me in this song. But back to what I was saying before. Their vocals are pretty stable, but they're not really dancing that much in here, like they were doing in Can't Stand the Rain. Ooh, I like that. And they still in that. Yo, Taeyong is really getting me in this live show. Mainly because they keep putting the camera on him. Yeah, put the camera on my boy too. Ooh, I love this part of this song. Hey. Little soul movements for the ladies. Hey. Yo! They brought out my boy Kai Lucas. Hey, I ain't gonna go back. Yo! I can barely see him. They go like, no, they didn't. They just went like that, like a car. Oh, they are doing it. Yes, sir. I'm going back to that. Yo, SuperM is so far, by far, my favorite group right now. My number one group is always going to be GOT7, but right now, because they just debuted it, SuperM is here. They are here. Don't stop. Hey. Hi. Oh man. Well, that's gonna be it for this video. If you made it this far, thank you so much. That means you actually liked my reaction. And if you did, make sure to hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, because it really helps out my videos, and go follow me on Instagram. But before I end it, make sure to comment down below what else I should react to. And I also want to know who's your bias from SuperM too, because pretty sure you guys already know Taman is my bias, so I want to know who's your bias in SuperM. With that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next video.